everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome to the August Allure Beauty Box. This is the second to last $15 beauty box from Allure. They are actually upping their price by $8, so it's going to be around $22 now, but there's also going to be tax, so probably $23, $24. They said that they are going to be adding 5 items, 3 of which are now going to be full priced, not full priced, full size, which may seem great, but you can count a makeup brush as full sized. You can count a single eyeshadow full sized. So I'm gonna still get it, but we'll see how that goes, because I like my samples. I like getting tiny samples that don't take me months to years to finish, right? It's too long. And then you gotta throw it out anyways, because you can't keep makeup more than like 6 months. I do, but you shouldn't. But anyways, this is our little book. A lovely little book with all our items. We have just the red crinkle paper. And I'm going to reach in, and we have Botanical Primer with Betrayal Skin Balancing. Oh, it's a skin primer. I wish. Not the cheap Chinese store, but Wish with a W. Wish with an H. And we're gonna see how this looks. Oh, okay. Oh, it just wanted to come out. And it is just a white, ooh, it's very liquidy. You can see it running down my hand. Just a white primer. I personally do not use primers. I think they don't do anything. I think it just makes the makeup sit on top of your face. Smells like nothing. It did blend in very easily. But again, I don't use primer, so I'm probably going to give this to my niece. But it's a good size, and you really don't need much. Like that tiny little drop, little pea-sized drop, perfect for all over the face. Next up, is a bar of soap. Little bar of soap. And this is the famous black soap from Aslo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. I only use bar soap, so this is exciting, and I'm happy about this. I don't use like gel or any of that. I just love bar soap. And it says it's famous, but I've never heard of it. But maybe I just stick to one brand, so I probably am not in the know. But yep, it is indeed black. So that warms my little goth heart, and it smells like mud. Don't know what I was expecting, but it smells like mud. And so, yeah, this will be great for when my current bar, which is huge, so that's going to be a while, goes out. Next up, I smacked it and my eye hurt. Okay, we have a floss highlighter in the color Sunlit. And it is I'm just going to swatch it, because I already know I'm not going to like it. It is in this gold color. Thought I saw a spider up on my ceiling. And yeah, it's a lovely gold color that I'm probably never going to use because I don't like gold. I don't actually really use highlighter either. I don't like to glow, I guess, is what I'm saying. I don't like to glow. I like to look dead and corpsey. But yep, that is that, and that will probably be going to my niece. Next item. H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. You guys know I love a good moisturizer. My skin is eternally dry, and the weather is changing now, so it's going to be even oh! Hello! It's pink. It's a cute little pink color. I like that. But yeah, my skin is eternally dry. It is the cracked Sahara Desert of skin that smells like nothing. Maybe my sniffer isn't working. I don't know. Nothing smells like anything anymore. But it's very soft. It's kind of silky feeling. I like that. Yeah. Blends in. And I just love moisturizer. I mean, there's that one makeup or skin item you just love, and that's it for me, is moisturizer. Next item. What are you? Oh, it's a serum. In this tiny, tiny bottle, we have a serum to go after your toner that they've never given us again after the first one I got. But it's in this cute little yellow, kind of honey colored. It's got the cutest little pump. So let's see. Oh! It's gold!
I love gold!
It's kind of thin too, but it's gold. That is cute. Kind of smells like Sprite. It has a lemony lime scent. That's weird. Not mad at it though. But that is this tiny little serum, and I would probably venture a guess that you use one pump. Next item. We're down to two left. And it is the dreaded sheet mask. I hate sheet masks. I would rather have clay masks. Sheet mask, I will use it because I love spa day, but I don't really like sheet masks. They're always too big or too wet. And this is from Hello Mama Kama. I don't know. Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. Oh, by Looks in May. Right there. And it is all in Japanese or Chinese. Okay, so it's just like any other mask. You put it on, you take it off, you rub the excess into your skin, and you're done. Cool. Last item. This is, a big box. Maybe this is full-sized. And this is Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend Pomegranate. Oh, it's a moisturizing facial oil. More moisture. Love moisture. It's rose though, and rose can be very temperamental with sensitive skin, which I have. But look at the cute little dropper. It's gold. Everything is gold. Oh, that's so cute. It's just a clear serum. Let's see. How oily is this? Bloop. One drop. It's an oil. It's gonna run and drip. But, ooh, it's thick. Oh, that is very oily. You do not need much of this. That is going to sit on top of the skin. You see how my skin is now shiny? But I can smell the rose. And then, like, just, did it say bergamot? Or grapefruit? Pomegranate. Get my fruits together, pup. You can definitely smell a citrusy kind of burst. Pomegranate's not citrus, but it smells citrusy to me. But, yeah. But that was my August Allure box. I think my favorite thing in here probably going to be the soap, this moisturizer, this oil, which is going to be so fun to use after I cleanse and take all this makeup off. So I'm just going to go to my niece. I'm building up a big box for her. If you want to see more videos from me, Puppy, then please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. I am all ears. So until next time, this is Puppy. Bye.